Take the first left.
So nice to have you all here and in person, how exciting. We're just going to head up to Hilltop, which is the home of gardening science, and it's our shiny new building, and it's where a big chunk of the RHS's archive collection.
Today we've been looking at plant nurseries at RHS Wisley, and we've also been learning about how seeds are germinated.
My favorite part was definitely getting to see the libraries, which is only for members, and we also got to handle some nursery catalogues from the 18th century, which is really cool.
I absolutely loved the illustrations through time and the pictures through time that we looked at in the plant nursery catalogues. I liked the illustrations in the kind of 30s and 40s better than the modern photographs.
Not all the seeds ripen at the same time. To leave some for bad. There's this clump here, there's also a clump over there.
We looked at the nurseries and then we learned all about seed collection, which was fun.
So Garrett can come from seed, but they tend to be better coming from cuttings. Right, so let's head on inside and I'll show you how we clean it all up.
The way that the seed collection is done, I just can't believe that it's all like hand done.
And then slowly put it up. It takes a few seconds for everything to catch the wind and blow up.
Like with the machine and sifting through it with the tweezers. I just think that's really cool.
We've had a look in the seed room. We've seen their cold room where they store all the seeds that they're keeping dormant, which was really cool.
It was really shocking how such a, particularly nursery catalogues, how such a recreational part of a person's life is so intertwined with other factors like war or the economy and like logistics and stuff.
I was really inspired by how it's really clear that our attitudes towards like horticulture and growing our own plants, but especially food, have really changed over time.